it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with something different, a stage show, a live performance by 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So you don't know, say the G are 20 years in music, you know. Congrats to you, my G. Big up yourself. So that one, Aidonia and Stephen the Genius admits 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Cartel, Adi and my daddy, and mash up Subina Park. Live performance. So I'm going to jump in on and see what go on. Big up the channel report, Jamaican chat. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I still not do it. So I'm going to jump in on and see what go on stage over Subina Partner, man. Let's go. Get it. Boom, big up. Steven play live on stage. Wow. Steven play live on stage, dog.
We have to do a proper introduction.
Yeah.
Because if you can look, this is Stephen McGregor.
That is it. Genius. Genius. One genius. Talented. Alright, book him. Send for the guns them now. Eagle fly down like a John Crow. From them this me now. Yo. Steven. Cheat make me. Reload. Work, I did it, work! Think I'm passing the ball, I don't lost it. Stop it up in them part. Work, did it, work! Hook 'em! Like, where the hook 'em! What is? Bad. I'll do that. You wanna sing this song to me like that? Double up around it. One Joshy. Up by one. Yeah. 12 gauge. Joshy look fast, you know. Much better. Wreck it, bumbo clock, Joshy. Yeah. Memories in the past of my heart. Yeah. Replace my tears. I see you right there, so. Hey, 12 years, motherfucker. Tell them so. You know time against it. Balance that. You can't stop doing it. My genius are play. Balance that. But more I'm telling you something. He want to see right yourself. A Homage. Homage. Homage.
In entertainment, in putting my lyrical content together.
Homage. Homage. Homage.
In an interview, me never said that
Nowhere.
But me I take a platform at that time.
Homage.
You don't know that I'm in a business if no one whole of time. But you, I can tell you that. Pull bull, welcome, gangster. I can tell you, I am not singing a party in a song, you know. You see, first song when you start, that's the rhythm I wait. Me I wait for you sing it, you know. And you don't sing it, you know.
Sing it, Joshy. This you know what, no. Wreck it, Bumbo Clan, Joshy. Yeah, homage. Yeah, did they respect that? Me like that, 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 me like that. Homage, my fam. Give it in Bumbo Clan homage. Yeah.
I'm see one man goes and write and say, no, I sing that song here. And then you see about 4 man attack him and say, nah, sing that blood song, you know.
Why am I not singing? Every song. Girl white and have me going on the yard all night. From white like that. Yeah, right. Alright, to the future bright like starlight. Where the fuck do them? Hey! Go Avex, go Avex. This man, you get that jack by your Bumbo Clan. I don't mean make your girlfriend say you can't sex. And the yummy daddy who go Avex, go Avex. Bumbo Clan, wreck it. Wreck it, Bumbo Clan, did he?
Genius, no moving.
Don't make a chat, big up, man. There's some more from where you're there. Stay grounded.
I take out one of this. I said that part of the show, I mean the most to me. All I know of a loved one, the drop out,
Yeah.
and gone. I am missed them.
All right, put to the G them.
Boy, look after that. Look after that. Boy, I see phone light. Boy, I see lighter. If you don't know them, boy, I see rag.
R.I.P. To a real nigga. Real nigga. Wreck it, Bumbo Clan did it. Performance.
I watch you go now. When you notice, I say R.I.P. to my friend number 1.
Yeah.
When I can't say R.I.P. to my son.
Cannot believe it.
Daddy said, Daddy love you and Daddy miss you.
Yeah.
If I never father God, would I there so right now, you know?
Strong, strong, my fam. Strong, 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 strong. Big up yourself, Diddy. Go and keep strong, bro. Not a easy road for walk. Losing a son or a daughter. No.
Sing it again!
I touching part of performance this man.
Cha-cha, in my mind, can't stop me with proud of hobby. In the head of my can't go in. Rise up and come and go get down. Watch over me, the tender.
Jehovah! Watch over me, Jehovah! Did they?
You don't know why. You want to see me dead. I did not enough, you must be calling on me head. Want me truck down, you rub me hand and rub me leg. Want over 9 life, if you should get me with the bread. Lying on top, still a sim on a bed.
Performance! Oh, over here. Oh, Lina. Oh, Lina. It does over here. Emotional part like this. See, brother run this a love there. Big up yourself, love. Yo, love one come support him, and you can see say love one move to him now. Love one move to him, yeah man. Yeah man, support him, love. Support him, support him. You need it, bro. Put your hand on him shoulder, bro. Put your hand on him shoulder, my fam. Yo, goosebumps, brother. Goosebumps, you fuck dog. Goosebumps, you fuck dog. Put your hand on him, no love, man. Give him no say you have him back, bro. Goosebumps, ghost fucking bumps, bro. Like, shit, dog. Yeah, man, love. Hold him, man. Make him know you're dead, man. G, break down on stage, bro. Yeah, man. The G break a while ago, fam. Kinda break me too, man. Not tell no lie. Break me, bro. It break me. Sir. The man have kids, bro. The man have youth like myself, yeah. I had this thing, bro. Trust me, it break me, fam. Strong, me, bro. Strong. Strong, Diddy, strong. Ready, bang! Strong bomb buckler, Diddy, strong!
Good morning. It has been a good night. And it wouldn't be nothing less if we did not celebrate Aidonia's 20th.
No, yeah.
Different
mic, get a talkaphone.
We're switching mics.
Yeah, better, mama.
Aidonia, it's been a journey. Tonight, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, as a proud title sponsor of this event, we want to celebrate with you your legacy, what you have contributed to the music industry as a true icon. And tonight, we want to give you 2 special bottles of 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Few, not 2.
A few bottles. An EXO and an EXO Royal. We want to
Buckler.
continue to celebrate with you.
Pick up yourself, Diddy.
We're wishing you a journey of success and another 20 years.
Great buckler. Great moment. That's not G life. You think it easy for the 20 years and this a pussy wall corrupt industry, yeah? You think it easy to stay relevant for 20 years, dog?
Congratulations.
You know, from most of them are foreign them and one next brother say pass the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���, you pass it from them kind of thing.
Passing it right
You understand? So big up yourself and I love you, know. Right this summer, you see it? One thing, man.
Good night.
Hello.
Stop the talking for now.
Few more. Why time I move on away, but you know.
clap. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work. Ready, Diddy. Steve, ready? Me no make talk. Word record. Lad. Bad man thing and a talking thing. Hot tool. Hot tool. Ramesh, you see her? I water. Don't do the other way. Hey! Jade. Man said no. Man said Jade said no. Yeah. Yeah, man, show them Jades. Yo, hold on. Hold on. What is that pause? Yo, me respect how Aidonia just do that a while ago. I want to perform and Jades I run out and they must say, yo, Jades, hold on, wait. So Jades step back and wait until I want to finish. Then they do a proper introduction and say, yo, forward now, Jades. Me like that. Yeah, him not styling, I never styling thing.
Watch out, white river, up the white river. White river, up the white river. That's why it's only up the right figure. The other one living in the side river. White river, up the white river. White river, up the white river. White river, the type, you know. You can't talk about that, then. Man, she no love, yes, man. Come and belly that over the gun, press bar. Pushing on the green, over the compress one. Anything, yeah, without question.
Yeah.
Them a tap a girl when they love spend on girl. After retire with a folk.
Don't say clap. Jades! Hold on.
Let's play a rhythm. Showtime, I want to rhythm, yeah.
Yeah, man, play a classic. Work, Genius. Oh, Genius, I come work too? No, for them, I bring them up anyway. They're not going to see. They're not going to see. The moon can't talk. Even afraid that we can't. Your class. Some girl let them be better than that. Back up. God. Give me mic, start the mic, start the microphone.
Alright, see you? You look like Cardi B. Guess what I'm doing now? Yeah. Your pussy good.
Your pussy good. Your pussy good. So good. It's a star. I could have never. Hold on.
know, so just send governor through the gate. Love, cool off. And last reading this. Only for young artists there, so we not stifle them. Them have to end the show. Them have to end the show.
Me like this. Young artists are in the show. Young artists are in the show. Dancer. Ah, shit. This video done. If you don't want me to find more clips like this and react to, please let me know in the comment section, no, man. Please let me know. Please let me know. Yo, congratulations to Diddy and 20 years of music. It's not an easy road to walk. 20 years. Like me say, you know, this is a corrupt music, dog. So big up yourself, Diddy, for the amazing work that you've put in the catalog that you have. The youth them where you put forefront in the music as well, G. Big up, you done your job, bro. So you can sit back and relax and live off of your royalties. If you don't want to sing no more new song, bro, you don't have to, cause your catalog is crazy, fam. So big up yourself, Diddy. Big up all that Diddy true fans them from JOP days. You see me? Now a fourth gen days. So big up yourself, Diddy. You see me? Big up everybody who walk out. Big up Jashi. Big up Jades, big up Iwater, big up Steve. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Diddy, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. That's all I'm going to say. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. And I'll be down there. All right? I'll catch you guys down there. For real, for real. Peace.
Boys! I know, sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.